algebra question come from UK Math Olympiad for Girls 2013. For this question, of course, we can't use calculator. This is a standard question, and there is a standard way to do it. First of all, we let A to be equal to this term, that's cube root square root of 108 plus 10. And B to be the second term, that is cube root of square root of 108 minus 10. Now after which, A cube will be equal to square root of 108 plus 10 minus B cube, that is square root of 108 minus 10. That is equals to 20. On the other hand, we know that A cube minus B cube is actually equal to A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. So this is equal to 20. We are asked to show A minus B equals to 2. So in this case, we can let x to be equal to A minus B. So this can be replaced as x, but we still lacking of the value of A square, B square, and AB. So from A square plus B square, it can be written as A minus B square. After you expand it, it will be A square plus B square. But there is additional minus 2AB. So we need to add 3AB in order to have this term. A minus B is equal to x. So this is x and this is x squared. We still need to find out the value of AB. The value of AB can be obtained from here. So let me write it here. So AB will be equal to the cube root of this term times the cube root of this term. So we can combine the cube root. We'll have u plus v, u minus v. So it will become u square minus v square, where the u is square root of 108 and v is equal to 10. So this is equals to square of square root 108 is 108, and this is equals to 100. 108 minus 100 is 8. Cube root of 8 is equals to 2. Now we are ready to solve the equation. So this is x squared plus 3ab. ab equals to 2. 3ab therefore equals to 6, equals to 20. So this is x cubed plus 6x minus 20 equals to 0. Notice that x equals to 2 is one of the solution. Actually, we can cheat a little bit from the question. We just need to verify that x equals to 2 is the answer. Then we can factorize this as x minus 2 times a quadratic expression. This is x cubed, this is x, so we have x squared. This is negative 2, this is negative 20, so that is plus 10. We notice that there is no term in x squared. In order to have this, so this is negative 2x squared plus 2x, so this becomes 2x squared, and they will cancel off. Now check with the term in x, that is 6 here. So the term in x can be obtained from here, that is 10x minus 4x. 10x minus 4x is 6x, meaning that this is correct factorization. So this means that x equals to 2, or x squared plus 2x plus 10 can be written as x plus 1 squared plus 9 equals to 0. So after complete the square, then we know that there's no real solution for this equation. Since there's no real solution for this equation, then we conclude that x equals to 2 is the only solution. With this, we have shown that this is equals to 2. This is a standard method that we use for this kind of question. As usual, I prepare some similar question for you to work on. Please try it, and you may check the answer in the description. That's all for today. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.